Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of Eldeco Infrastructure and Properties Limited. We are an established real estate developer in North India with a strong presence in Delhi NCR and Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, having completed and ongoing projects in over 20 cities in India since 2000. Source: C&W Report. The C&W report has been exclusively commissioned and paid for in connection with the offer, and any reliance on such information for making an investment decision in the offer is subject to inherent risks. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and Eldeco Infrastructure and Properties Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated September 30, 2025. Eldeco Infrastructure and Properties Limited IPO comprising of a fresh issue of equity shares of face value 5 rupees each, aggregating up to 8,000 million rupees, and an offer for sale of equity shares of face value 5 rupees each, aggregating up to 2,000 million rupees. The offer for sale comprises the sale of equity shares held by the promoter selling shareholders in the IPO. Eldeco Infrastructure and Properties Limited was incorporated on March 16, 2000. With its registered office at Faridabad, Haryana, India and corporate office at New Delhi, India. We have a 25-year-old legacy, and as on March 31, 2025, our company has delivered residential townships, low-rise apartments and group housing across 86 projects amounting to more than 50 MSF. Our company strives to maintain a strong reputation by delivering quality construction and completing projects on time with the intent to achieve and maintain widespread trust in the markets we operate. Further, as on March 31, 2025, our company has 19 ongoing projects amounting to a saleable area of 7.24 MSF and 18 forthcoming projects amounting to a saleable area of 7.37 MSF in 14 cities. We are present across multiple cities of North India such as Delhi, Noida, Greater Noida and Bareilly in Uttar Pradesh, Sohna, Gurugram, Panipat, Sonipat and Panchkula in Haryana, Jalandhar and Ludhiana in Punjab, Sirmaur in Himachal Pradesh, Nimrana in Rajasthan and Rudrapur and Narendranagar in Uttarakhand. We cater to mid-income to high-income segments and have also forayed from time to time into commercial segment. We believe that we've been at the forefront of residential real estate development in North India, following our strategy of fulfilling home buyers' dreams of owning living spaces with modern amenities at reasonable prices. We leverage on our approach of offering residential townships, which involves a combination of residential plots, group housing, and community infrastructure such as nursing homes, schools, and shopping complexes, while being an early mover in developing fast urbanizing areas. Further, we believe our company's success in the North Indian real estate market is founded on a track record of delivering high-quality projects within stipulated timelines. We follow a structured and scalable multi-city project management model with capabilities and resources to carry out all key activities associated with real estate development, including identifying and acquiring land or development rights thereto, planning, designing, executing, sales, marketing, and delivery of our projects while outsourcing our construction activities, that is civil works, electrical, plumbing and finishing to specialized local contractors. We have a highly experienced in-house workforce for project management, quality management, marketing and compliance. During the design phase of our projects and subsequently, we work with various national and international architects, designers and consultants such as Cooper Hill Singapore Private Limited, ACPL Design Limited, Roha, Messrs NMP Design Private Limited, Design Cell, Greenbox Designs, Studio Lotus, IDIS, Design Forum International, Design Process, eSpaces, and Bias Plus Architecture. In the construction phase of our projects, we work with a reliable and well-established network of suppliers, vendors, and third-party contractors, which includes specialized local contractors who are onboarded through a competitive bidding process. And we maintain rigorous oversight on quality, timelines, and cost efficiency throughout the entire construction phase. To maintain high-quality construction, we have embedded quality control protocols at every stage, including raw material testing, third-party inspections, and structured handover processes. We also conduct regular site audits and review meetings which allow for proactive resolution of issues. Further, our in-house sales and marketing teams manages an established network of over 850 authorized channel partners. As of March 31, 2025, we had 304 employees. As of March 31, 2025, we have one trademark registration for Eldeco with the symbol E under classes 36 and 37. Further, our company has filed an application for the renewal of trademark registration of the Eldeco without the symbol E. Further, our company has entered into a license agreement dated August 20, 2025 with one of our promoters, Pankaj Bajaj, for the license to use the wordmark and logo of Terra Grande. For further details, see risk factor on page 247 of the DRHP. Amongst our ongoing projects, we are developing Eldeco Fairway Reserve in Sector 80 Gurugram and Eldeco La Vida Bella at Greater Noida, which provides seamless connectivity with Noida-Greater Noida Link Road. We've also forayed into commercial real estate development from time to time. We've built a footprint in Delhi's real estate development through a combination of premium developments and strategic land acquisitions with projects such as Eldeco Center, a Grade A office and retail hub, and land acquisition from the Delhi Development Authority (DDA) in Sector 17, Dwarka, Delhi. Source: CNW Report. We have developed Eldeco Center, an IGBC LEED certified building, which is a modern office and retail hub, having a leasable area of 0.21 MSF with retail space aggregating to 0.06 MSF and office space aggregating to 0.15 MSF, and is strategically located in South Delhi. Additionally, in the year 2023, we entered luxury vacation home market with the brand Terra Grande in Sirmaur and Tehri Gadwal respectively. Investors should note the following important risks. We have incurred net losses in the past. Any losses in future periods could adversely affect our financial condition, results of operations and cash flows, and the trading price of our equity shares. Our business is significantly concentrated in the residential real estate segment. A limited presence in commercial and industrial segments may expose us to segment-specific risks and limit our revenue diversification. Further, we depend significantly on our residential development business, which is subject to needs and preferences of our customers. Our failure to continually anticipate and respond to customer needs may affect our business and results of operations. During the financial years 2025, 2024 and 2023, 67.39%, 33.99% and 60.27% respectively of our total revenue from operations was derived from sale of our projects situated within National Capital Region, Delhi NCR. We are exposed to risks originating from regulatory, socio-economic, political and other changes in this region, which could adversely affect our business, results of operations and financial condition. We have had net negative cash flows in the past, and any negative cash flows in the future could adversely affect our cash flow requirements, which may adversely affect our ability to operate our business and implement our growth strategies. We are exposed to the risks pertaining to land acquisition, including inability to identify and acquire land, or the rights connected hitherto, due to limited supply of land, increasing competition and applicable regulations, which may adversely affect our business, results of operations and financial condition. Please read the section titled Risk Factors beginning on page 46 of the DRHP. The promoters of our company are Pankaj Bajaj and Bandana Kohli. who holds 64,950,450 equity shares, bearing face value of 5 rupees each, equivalent to 99.99% of the pre-offer, issued, subscribed, and paid-up equity share capital of our company. Our company does not have any public shareholders as on the date of the DRHP. 99.99% of the pre-offer paid-up equity share capital of the company is held by the selling shareholders who are selling equity shares aggregating up to 2,000 million rupees as part of the offer for sale. Our board has 6 directors comprising 1 executive director, 2 non-executive directors and 3 independent directors, of which 1 is a woman director. Company's revenue from operations for fiscal 2025, 2024 and 2023 was 6,949.78 million rupees, 2,407.27 million rupees and 2,877.57 million rupees respectively. The EBITDA margin percentage for fiscal 2025, 2024 and 2023 was 16.44%, 66.73% and 18.72% respectively. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including pages 322 for further information on financials and related information. There are outstanding litigation proceedings involving our company, subsidiaries, joint venture, promoters, directors, group companies, key managerial personnel, and senior management. Any adverse outcome in such proceedings may have an adverse impact on our reputation, business, financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. For further details, see outstanding litigation and material developments on page 516 of the DRHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards funding the following objects: repayment, prepayment of certain outstanding borrowing, including secured non-convertible debentures, availed by Eldeco Infracon Realtors Limited, one of our material subsidiaries, and general corporate purposes. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not less than 75% of the net offer to qualified institutional buyers, not more than 15% to non-institutional bidders, and not more than 10% to retail individual bidders. The equity shares are proposed to be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. IIFL Capital Services Limited, formerly known as IIFL Securities Limited, and JM Financial Limited are the book-running lead managers to the issue. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the issue unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated September 30, 2025 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Disclaimer: neither the company nor the promoters or selling shareholders are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the issue for making any investment decision.